Hello, high school counselors. My name is Nina Juval. My pronouns are she, her, and I am the new outreach specialist for Cascadia College. So I'm excited to connect with you all, give you some information about Cascadia, or give you a little bit of a refresher. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are part of the Washington Community and Technical College system. We're actually co-located with the University of Washington Bothell, which is great to share some resources with them. Our class size average is about 25 students per class. We are also considered a transfer specialist, meaning that we just focus mostly on getting students transferred to a university. And then in fall of 2021, we will actually be having about 43% in-person class options. So we're working closely with COVID guidelines for safety and all that. So feel free to check out information and updates on our website. To get started, students would want to first apply for admission, which is free, and then determine placement in an English and math class, which they can do by sending over their high school transcript. And then after that, they would want to apply for financial aid and scholarships. So we do have the Cascadia Foundation Scholarship that I highly recommend all students apply to. And then lastly, they would want to sign up for a core session, which is an orientation and registration session. We have many different programs and areas of interest. So one of them is associate transfer degrees. We also have some associate professional and technical degrees, and we have a couple of Bachelor of Applied Science degrees. So you're welcome to take a look at what all of those are and check them out online as well. As for student life and resources, we have clubs that students could join. We have all sorts of fun events year-round. We also have the student government, which we call student life, and they hire. So if students are looking for a paid leadership role, that is a great opportunity. We also have the library on campus, so we share the library with the UW Bothell campus, and we get access to all the UW libraries, so that's really great. And then we have the Bach Learning Center. So the Bach Learning Center has all kinds of computers and printers. Students could check out a laptop or a calculator. And then we also have tutoring there, and we also hire tutors, so another job opportunity. We also have access to the the Activities and Recreation Center that has the Health and Wellness Resource Center, as well as a gym that is free with tuition. And then we have the Kodiak Cave, which is Cascadia's Food Resource Center. And then the Diversity and Equity Center. We also have disability support services, so all kinds of resources and ways for students to get connected. Then of course we have Running Start, so where students can earn college credits while in high school. It is tuition free, which is really great. They would be responsible for some fees. But in order to qualify, they would need to be a high school junior or senior, and we have information sessions where students can find out more information. They can find that on our website. So there it is. That's my quick little summary about Cascadia. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions at all. Our email is outreach@cascadia.edu, and we look forward to connecting with you and other students. We also have Zoom drop-in hours. If students have questions and want to drop in with us, we are available. And then we also have campus tours again, so they can feel free to sign up for a campus tour on our website. So yeah, thank you so much, and good luck to everybody.